10 important tips for keeping cockatiels at home. 1. Diet. Cockatiels require a balanced diet consisting of seeds, pellets, fresh vegetables, and fruits. Offer them fresh water daily. 2. Housing. Provide a spacious cage that is comfortable and allows for plenty of exercise. Place it in a well-lit area, away from direct sunlight and draft. 3. Mental stimulation. Cockatiels are intelligent birds that need mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. Offer them toys, perches, and plenty of social interaction. 4. Regular checkups. Take your cockatiel to a veterinarian regularly for checkups and to monitor its overall health. 5. Grooming. Cockatiels require regular grooming, including bathing and feather maintenance. Trim their beaks and claws when necessary. 6. Training. Cockatiels can be trained to do tricks and can learn to enjoy spending time with their owners. Start with basic training and positive reinforcement. 7. Quiet time. Cockatiels need time to rest and sleep, so provide a quiet and dark place for them to retreat to. 8. Socialization. Cockatiels are social birds that benefit from spending time with their owners and other birds. Offer them opportunities for socialization and interaction. 9. Cleanliness. Clean the cage and food dishes regularly to prevent the buildup of bacteria and parasites. 10. Environment. Cockatiels need a consistent and stable environment. Avoid making sudden changes to their environment or routine, as this can cause stress and affect their health.